Hello everyone, this is Lily from Shandong Goldzium Construction Limited. Today we are at Qingdao Port. I will introduce the tractor truck T7H 430 to you. Let's have a look.
The T7H 430 is a hot-selling 6x4 tractor unit with a single sleeper, spacious and comfortable cab, and comes standard with air conditioning, perfect for long-haul transport.
The T7H 430 is equipped with the Weichai engine, delivering a maximum of 414 horsepower and ample torque. It's paired with a manual transmission for smooth power output. The truck boasts a maximum climbing ability, allowing it to handle steep slopes with ease. Plus, it meets the Euro 2 emission standards. The T7H 430's fifth wheel can support up to 15 tons, making it compatible with stick trailers, box trailers, flatbeds, and more. It's ideal for logistics, cold chain transport, and the construction industries. The T7H 430 tractor truck's excellent power, stable and reliable performance, economy and comfort reach the international level. Its safety, reliability, and the intelligence level are in line with international standards. There are several personalized configuration options. It is suitable for highly organized transportation. If you want to know more about this machine, please contact me freely. See you next time. Bye bye.